Hello guys, I'm Vaishali Kikan and today first of all I want to thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for providing me your love, your support and blessings. I have started my journey from 0 at subscriber and now I have reached to 25k. It is just because of your support, love and blessings. It means a lot for me. Now this is the high time to declare that this is the starting of a new era for our channel. We are rebranding ourselves. Now Vaishali's e-learning will be rebranded as Dopamine. Now you are curious, why dopamine? What is dopamine and why we have chosen this name? Dopamine is a hormone that releases happiness. Right? So whenever dopamine hormone is released in our body, we feel happiness inside. So we are having the same motive, we are having the same aim, we are having the same goal to provide you happiness. So whenever you are feeling sad before your exam, you are feeling anxious before your exam that you will not be able to complete the full subject, we are here to provide you short videos to complete your subjects in detail, and that is for free, and thus we are providing you happiness. Whenever you are feeling depressed after getting failed from an interview or from an exam, we are here to provide you motivation. Whenever you are feeling stressed about the course curriculum and about the future technology, about the competition in this world, we are here to provide you happiness. So dopamine is an apt word because now we are expanding. We are evolving. I told you previously also, we will now be having different themes. We will be working upon different things. We will be having interviews of some eminent personalities and some experts, right, which can guide you, who will help you to reach your goals, who will provide you happiness in your life. Right, these people will be building a support structure for you so that you will be having success in your life. Right, so after that we will be having some expansion in our subjects as well. We will be working out on 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th class subjects as well, apart from obviously the electronics and communication engineering. We are now expanding into other subjects and other technical subjects from other engineering courses as well. So this is how we are expanding, and last but not the least, we are here to provide you some motivation and guidance. So we are here teaming up with Dr. Ashwini Kumar, the Pro Vice Chancellor of Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. So he will be helping you out in a lot of things. Apart from him, we will be having Dr. Gaurika with us, and she will be guiding you with the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th subjects as well. So now after this we will be moving on to the expert interview sessions as well, where we will be reaching out some expert and some eminent personalities and you can directly contact with them. And also yes, at last we will be having some counseling session which are one-to-one. You can put your comments in the comment section below and you can tell that if you are interested in a one-to-one counseling session with us, one-to-one counseling session with Ashwini sir or with Gaurika ma'am or with me, so that we will be having some classes or some session arranged for you. So this is how we are going to work for you, and we are now trying to give you as much as possible. We are now much more passionate about our goal to provide free education to all of you, and we will try to give you much more than the education. We want to build a connection with all of you. We want to have a communication channel with all of you. Obviously you can reach out to us with the help of our app as well, and also you can give us your comments, your likes, your subscribes, and also you can share our channel with your fellow colleagues and students as well. Thank you guys, and meet me soon in the next classes and the next sessions.